Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Abiq. Today we will present about business case for the Ayam Kepok Sultan online ordering system, or we can call it as AG So next I will move to introduction. At UUM, Ayam Kepok Sultan operate in highly competitive food service environment. So the restaurant receive a large number of customer daily, especially during lunch. Unfortunately, the current manual ordering process where customer need to wait in line to place order verbally. So this will create a long queue, slow service, and customer frustration. So digital ordering has already become the standard in many food establishments, with offering faster service, reducing staff workload, and improving customer convenience. So yet, Ayam Gepok Sultan UM has not adopted such a system. This gap present a clear opportunity to modernize operation and solve long-standing issue like congestion, human error, and inconsistent order handling. So we've moved to business objective. The proposed solution our Ayam Gepok Sultan UM is designed to transform the restaurant operation. Customer will be able to place order online before arriving, reducing waiting time and ensuring smoother service during the hours. So staff will benefit from the centralized order management interface, making making it easier to monitor and update order systematically. So the project has several key objectives. The first one is to reduce customer waiting time through online pre-ordering. The second one is to minimize congestion during the hours and with a structured digital workflow. The third one is to reduce human error by standardizing order entry. The fourth one is to improve customer satisfaction with faster and more reliable service. The fifth one is to streamline staff workload using the centralized system. The last one is to support digital transformation, enabling future features like promotion, loyalty program, and menu expansion. This objective ensure that EduSource project is not just technical upgrade, but a strategic initiative that deliver measurable value to both customer and the business. In conclusion, Ajusa will enhance customer experience, reducing operational bottleneck, and support Ayam Gepok Sultan sustain in the highly competitive market. By embracing digital service technology, the restaurant can position itself for future growth and remain ahead of the customer expectation.
Assalamualaikum and a very good evening. My name is Muhammad Afiq bin Azman. My matrix number is 203534 and I will be presenting about our current situation and problem/opportunity statement. So our current situation is the restaurant currently depends entirely on face-to-face ordering at the counter. Customer must wait in long lines, communicate their orders verbally and wait again for food preparation. During peak periods, staff must multitask and manage large volumes of customers at once. There is no digital system to organize orders or automate basic tasks. The service flow heavily relies on manual effort and physical presence. Next is our problem identified. So the manual ordering system caused several operational issues. Service becomes significantly slower during busy hours, resulting in long waiting times that lead to customer dissatisfaction. Some customers may leave the restaurant due to the long queue, while others may express dissatisfaction through online reviews. Errors in orders also occurs due to verbal communication and human fatigue. Staff experience increased stress when managing large crowds, which affects accuracy and efficiency. Over time, this issue reduces service quality and can negatively impact the restaurant's reputation. Next is the opportunity. We are introducing a digital online service system which provides a strong opportunity to improve service efficiency and customer satisfaction. With AGSOOS, Customers can place orders online before arriving, allowing staff to prepare food more systematically. This reduces crowding at the counter and shortens wait times. The system also helps organize orders, standardize menu information, and minimize mistakes. Adopting this technology aligns with modern food industry practices and position Ayam Gepuk Sultan as a business that values convenience, speed, and customer service experience. This project supports long-term digital transformation and creates a foundation for future enhancements. So next is the critical assumption and constraint. So the assumption 1, the restaurant will cooperate by providing accurate menu details, private information, pricing information, and operational requirements. 2, customer will be willing to adapt to online ordering once it is introduced. 3, stable internet connectivity will be available to support the use of the system. 4, the staff will accept and use the ordering system with minimal training. 5, the project team will have access to the necessary tools and software to develop the system. So our constraints: 1, the project timeline must follow the academic semester, which limiting development duration. 2, the project team has limited financial resources and depends mostly on free development tools. 3, the system must be simple and easy for staff to use without requiring advanced technical skills. 4, the changes in menu or operational rules may occur during development, requiring updates to the system. And the last one is the restaurant may have limitation in hardware or spaces for digital access points.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ammar bin Muhammad Fauzi, number matric 3033562. Next, I will present section 5, which is the analysis of options and recommendation. For this project, we compared 3 different options. So, the first option is to maintain the current manual ordering system. This required no cost, but it does not solve any of the existing problems such as long queues, slow service, and human errors. If we continue with the manual system, customer dissatisfaction will remain the same or even get worse. So the second option is option 2 is to develop our own AGSOOS online ordering system. This option directly targets the main issue faced by the restaurant. It allows faster ordering, reduced staff workload, and can be customized based on the restaurant needs. The cost is also very low because our team use free tools and our own skill. So the last option is option 3 is to purchase a commercial ordering system. This option offers more advanced features but comes with high subscription and licensing fees. So it requires a lot of money in order to do this. Customization may be also limited. After comparing all the options, we recommend option 2, which is to develop the AGSOOS system ourselves. It is the most practical, cost-effective, and suitable solution for the restaurant. This option also supports the project MOV by improving waiting time, reducing errors, and increasing customer satisfaction. Okay, now preliminary project requirement. It have 4 parts that we divided. So for the customer, the system must allow them to view the menu, add items to the cart, place order online, receive confirmation, and track their order status. And for the staff, the system needs to provide dashboard to receive orders, update order status, manage menu item, and monitor incoming orders easily. For the system requirement, AGSOOS must have a user-friendly interface, mobile responsive design, secure login for staff, and stable performance since it will be used during peak hours. And lastly, in terms of the documentation, our team will prepare all requirement documents, design diagram, testing report, and user guide for the staff. This requirement ensure that the system is complete, easy to learn, and ready for the real use. Section 7. Section 7 explains the project budget and financial analysis. So as you can see, our project has a very small cost, estimate between Rm90 to Rm170 ringgit. This cost include optional domain and hosting, transportation for meeting, testing equipment, and contingency funds. All development tools such as Figma, Git, and VS Code are free. From the financial perspective, the benefits are much bigger than the cost, By speeding up ordering and reducing long queues, the restaurant can serve more customers, which increase revenues. The system also reduce order mistake, which help avoid losses. Customer satisfaction is expected to improve, leading to more repeat orders and better online reviews. Overall, even though the budget is very low, the system brings high value to the business, making the project financially feasible and worth implementing.
Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Intisar bin Khan and my matrix number is 303693 and I will be presenting the project schedule and risk management for our Ayam Gepuk Suta online ordering system project. So our project schedule spans from November 2025 to February 2026 and it's divided into 7 main phases. First, we begin with the planning phase, which took 7 days. Here we identify the project objective, stakeholders, conducting feasibility analysis, and finalize the project charter. This phase ends with our official project kick-off meeting. Next is the requirement gathering phase, lasting for 11 days. We met with Ayam Gepuk Sultan stakeholder, identify all functional and non-functional requirement, and documented the current manual ordering workflow. This phase ended with requirement confirmation with client approval. The third phase is system design and UI UX, which took about 14 days. Our team produced user flows, wireframes, database ERD design, and the overall system architecture, followed by the design revision. After that, we enter the system development phase, which is the longest, about 21 days. We complete both front-end components such as homepage, menu listing, and checkout, as well as the backend, including the API, ordering module, authentication system, and admin dashboard. We also integrate the database and perform internal testing. The fifth phase is integration and testing and lasting for 7 days. These include functional testing, usability testing, performance testing, and bug fixing to prepare for UAT. We then conducted user acceptance testing for 4 days. Restaurants staff test the system, get feedback, and we make the improvement before getting final approval. Finally, we complete the deployment and handover, which took 7 days. This involved hosting setup, domain configuration, live testing, documentation, and staff training and final presentation to the client. In summary, the schedule is structured, realistic, and allows buffer for revision, ensuring the system moves smoothly from planning to development. Next, I will explain the key risks for our project using our risk matrix. The first major risk is technical difficulties because our team may face challenges while integrating certain features. To mitigate this, we allocate extra research time and using simpler and stable technologies. The second risk is time management issues, which we rated as high impact and high likelihood because all the members have other courses. We handle this by planning weekly tasks and assigning clear responsibility and tracking the progress. Third, we identify requirement changes from the restaurant. To avoid delays, we maintain frequent communication with the client and included buffer time for the updates. Another potential issue is low customer adoption, since some customers may still prefer traditional ordering. To reduce this, we plan clear instruction, simple UI, and promotion at the restaurant. We also consider internet or device limitation at the restaurant. To mitigate, we recommend reliable Wi-Fi and provided fallback step for staff. And lastly, we address the security risks such as unauthorized access. This control through authentication, input validation, and minimizing sensitive data collection. Overall, this risk early and preparing mitigate strategies will ensure the project remains stable, secure, and on schedule.